Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in 3D coordinate system. Here, the question models locus. 17th question, the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, -1. Here, 4 options are given. Locus is a variable point. Let P is equal to x comma y comma z be any point on the locus. It is a variable point. First point, let A equal to 1, 2, 3. Second point, B equal to 3, 2, -1. Here locus point equidistant from point A and point B. Given condition PA equal to PB. PA square equal to PB square. To apply the distance between 2 points formula, PA square, the root is cancelled, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to PB square. Here x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. To apply the expansion of x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x, y minus 2 whole square expansion, y square plus 4 minus 4y, z minus 3 whole square expansion, z square plus 9 minus 6z equal to x minus 3 whole square, x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y minus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 minus 4y plus z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1 plus 2z. Here x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, z square get cancelled, minus 4y get cancelled, minus 2x minus 6z, 9 also get cancelled, 1 plus 4 5 minus 6x plus 2z, 4 plus 1 5. Minus 6x will become plus 6x, 6x minus 2x, 4x plus 2z is a minus 2z, minus 6z minus 2z, minus 8z. Here 5 get cancelled. Here divided by with 4, x minus 2z equal to 0. This is the equation of locus. First option is correct. 18th question, if the sum of the squares of the perpendicular distances of P from the coordinate axis is 12, then the locus of P, here 4 options are given. Locus is a variable point. Let P equal to, locus is a variable point. Let P equal to x comma y comma z. Here coordinate axis means P to x axis, the perpendicular distance from P to x axis and P to y axis and P to z axis. Here one concept, locus is a variable point, P is equal to x comma y comma z. The perpendicular distance from P to x axis is equal to root of y square plus z square. P to y axis is root of x square plus z square. P to z axis is root of x square plus y square. Here, in a given condition, square of the perpendicular distances from P to the coordinate axis means x, y and z axis. Here square, the root is get cancelled. X axis, y square plus z square. y axis x square plus z square, z axis x square plus y square. The sum is equal to 12. Here x square plus x square, 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, z square plus z square, 2z square is equal to 12. Here 2 is cancelled. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 6. X square plus y square equal plus z square equal to 6. Here first option is the correct. 19th problem. The locus of a point which is equidistant from 19th question. The locus of a point which is equidistant from yz plane and zx plane is, here 4 options are given. Locus is a variable point. Let p equal to x comma y comma z. Here the concept p equal to x comma y comma z is the locus of the point p to xy plane distance mod z, p to yz plane distance mod x, p to zx plane distance mod y. In a question, the locus point p to yz plane, the distance is mod x, is equidistant is equal to the distance of locus point px comma y comma z to zx plane is mod y. Squaring on both sides. X square is equal to y square. X square minus y square equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. Second option is the correct. Twentieth question. Origin is shifted to the point P without changing the direction of the axis. If the coordinates of Q with respect to the old axis, new axis are 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 and 3 comma 1 comma 2 respectively, then px plus py plus pz. Here 4 options are given. Translation axis, already you know that translation axis means the origin is shifted to without changing the direction of axis. Here origin shifted point is h comma k comma l. H comma k comma l, here to find the origin shifted point h comma k comma l is find. Here original coordinates x comma y comma z. Original coordinates is 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 and these are the new coordinates 3 comma 1 comma 2. To find h comma k comma l, h comma k comma l, relation x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k, z is equal to z plus l. Origin shifted point, origin shifted point P equal to h comma k comma l. Original coordinates x comma y comma z. Original coordinates x comma y comma z is given 2 comma minus 1 comma 4. New coordinates capital X, capital Y, capital Z is given 3 comma 1 comma 2. To find h, k, l, h is equal to small x minus capital X. H is equal to small x minus capital X. Here small x is 2, capital X is 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. k is equal to small y minus capital Y. Here small y minus 1, capital Y 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. L equal to small z minus capital Z. Small z is equal to 4, capital Z is equal to 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Here p coordinates h comma k comma L. P equal to minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 2. Here to find px plus py plus pz, px plus py plus pz, px x coordinate of p minus 1 plus py y coordinate of p minus 2 plus pz z coordinate of p plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 is the answer. Third option. Next, level 2 type questions. Here the model of questions: distance between 2 points. Question number 1, if p equal to 0 comma 5 comma 6, q equal to 1 comma 4 comma 7, r equal to 2 comma 3 comma 7, and s equal to 6 comma 5 comma 16 are 4 points in space, then the point nearest to the origin is. Here 4 option is given. Origin coordinates 0 comma 0 comma 0. Here origin is the point is there in a space P, Q, R, S. 4 points are there. Which is the nearest point to? Which is the nearest point to O? First to find the distance. Here the points P equal to 0 comma 5 comma 6, Q equal to 1 comma 4 comma 7, R equal to 2 comma 3 comma 7, S equal to 6 comma 5 comma 16. These are the points are given. To find the distances OP distance, 0 minus 0, square root of 0, 5 minus 0, 25, 5 minus 0, 5 square, 25, 6 minus 0, 6 square, 36, 6 plus 5, 11, root 61, 25 plus 36, root 61. So, OQ distance, here 1 square plus 4 square 16 plus 17 square 49. 16 plus 1 17, 49 plus 17, 9 7 16, 66. 66. Next, OR 4 plus 9 plus 49. 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9, 7 square 49. 9 plus 4 13, 49 13 plus 13, 9 3 12, 4 5 62. 62. Next, to find OS, here 6 square 36, 5 square 25, 16 square 256. 36 plus 25, 6 5 11, 3 2 5 61 plus 256. 6 plus 1 7, 6 5 11, 317. Here 317 is the value. To observe that these 4 values, which is the least value here? Here the least value is root 61. Therefore, P the nearest point to O. Correct answer is P. This is the first answer. Second question, the circumradius of the triangle formed by the points 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 1 comma 2 is given. Here the options are given to find the circumradius. Let first point, let A equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, B equal to 2 comma minus 3 comma 1, C equal to minus 3 comma 1 comma 2. Here the vertices of the triangle is given. First to find the nature of the triangle. Here to observe that x, y, z coordinates. Here in the form of cyclic 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 2. These coordinates are in the form of cyclic. Then the triangle ABC is equilateral. Here to find AB, 1 minus 2 whole square 1, 2 plus 3 5, 5 square 25, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square 16, 25 plus 1 26 plus 16 6 6 12 42 root 42. BC distance 2 plus 3 5, 5 square 25, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square 16, 1 minus 2 plus 1, the sum equal to root 42. AC distance, AC 1 plus 3 4 16, 2 minus 1 1, minus 3 minus 2 25, the sum equal to root 42. Here three sides are equal. Triangle ABC is an equilateral. In equilateral triangle, circumcenter equal to centroid. S equal to circumcenter. Circumcenter equal to centroid of triangle ABC. Centroid of triangle ABC. Already you know that formula centroid of triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. First coordinate x1 y1 z1, second coordinate x2 y2 z2, third coordinate x3 y3 z3. Here to find the x1 plus x2 plus x3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0, 0 by 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0 by 3, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0 by 3. Circumcenter is 0 0 0. Here S is the circumcenter. SA is called radius. SB is called radius. SC is called radius. To find circumradius. Circumradius SA equal to, here S value 0 comma 0 comma 0, A value 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. Distance between SA 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 2 minus 0 whole square 2 square 4, minus 3 minus 0 whole square minus 3 whole square 9, root 14. Root 14 is the circumcenter. Correct answer is first option. Problem number 3. The distance between the circumcenter and the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the points 2 comma 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 0 comma 4 is. Here the four options are given. Here the triangle vertices are given. A, B, C. Let A equal to 2 comma 1 comma 5, B equal to 3 comma 2 comma 3, C equal to 4 comma 0 comma 4. Here to find the nature of the triangle, first to find AB distance, 2 minus 3 whole square 1, 1 minus 2 whole square minus 1, minus 1 whole square plus 1, 5 minus 3 minus 2 whole square 4, root 6. BC distance, BC 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square 1, 2 minus 0 2 square 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square 1, root 6. AC distance, AC distance 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square 4, 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 5 minus 4 whole square minus 1, minus 1 whole square 1, root 6. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Triangle ABC is equilateral. Here three sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, altitudes, medians, perpendicular bisectors are coincide. Altitudes, medians and perpendicular bisectors are coincide. Circumcenter, orthocenter and centroid are coincide. Circumcenter, S is circumcenter, O is orthocenter. These two values is equal to centroid of triangle ABC. The centroid, first one x1 comma y1 comma z1, second one x2 comma y2 comma z2, third one x3 comma y3 comma z3. To apply the formula, centroid of triangle ABC, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 by 3 comma 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 0 3, 3 by 3 comma 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 by 3, 3 3, 3 ones 3 4, 3 comma 1 comma 4. Here S value is equal to 3 comma 1 comma 4. Orthocenter value is also equal to 3 comma 1 comma 4. To find distance between circumcenter and orthocenter, here to find distance between circumcenter S, orthocenter O, distance between SO, here the values are same, 3 minus 3 whole square 0 plus 1 minus 1 whole square 0, 4 minus 4 whole square 0. The distance between circumcenter and orthocenter is equal to 0. That is the fourth option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.